Okay, slow down. Brake. Like the brake.
Sorry, head wasn't in it. My bad.
What were you thinking about there?
How I failed. Genuinely how I failed. My mind wasn't even in the game. That would have been a fail. I would have failed again. Exact same place. Could you imagine?
Hey guys, welcome to another video. And yeah, Brandon is back after taking his driving test, and yeah, unfortunately he failed. So this is his first lesson back. We've had a couple of weeks off.
Yep.
Yeah, how you feeling?
Quite good actually. I just feel in the zone.
Okay, feeling the zone to drive.
I just want to drive.
Yeah, so we're still waiting for the test date. Yeah, hopefully we can get a cancellation soon. But today's lesson, what we're going to do is we're going to just go over that part and show you guys the part where Brandon actually failed his test. Yeah, so I've asked Brandon about the test route, and we kind of know which way he went on his test. So we're going to just do not all of that test route, just part of it, and show you exactly where he made the mistake and what happened. So yeah, okay, any questions before we start?
No, just want to drive.
So responsibilities wise, I think we're quite clear that you don't need my help. Yeah, okay. The thing that you did get confused about the speed limits, might ask you a few questions on that. Apart from that, anywhere else you need my help?
Don't think so.
Cool. So yeah, whenever you're ready, Brand, if you could move off, please. Yeah, so we're starting from the test centre.
This dreaded place.
If you could turn left, please. So at the end of the road, it was left you said you went, yeah?
Yeah.
So turn left, please. How does it feel to be driving again?
Good. Fantastic. Exquisite. I've missed it. Honestly, I've been wanting to get behind the wheel again for ages. I know it's only been like how long, but
Around 2 weeks. To be honest, even I had the week off, you know, after you didn't pass that driving test.
you were gutted.
I was like, okay, I think I'll just take a week off. It was a kid's half term as well, wasn't it, the week after? So
Yeah. I remember I got home after that test.
Turn left at these lights.
I got home after that test, text my friend, fell asleep for the next 3 hours. couldn't go. The guy had already started going across.
Yeah, that was a really good observation. Yeah, the guy on the scooter.
Yeah, he had no fear for his life. And the other guy doing a double take is like, wait, should I?
So the road that you failed your driving test on, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
The way that you described that you entered that road from, yeah, this is normally the way they take you onto it.
Mm-hmm.
This road, continue straight ahead, please. Do you remember coming to this junction still?
Yep.
And everything was going fine up until...
Honestly, everything was fine up until that road. And there were loads of like hazards along the way with like cars pulling out when they shouldn't have pulled out, and you know, it was just fine, to be honest. Everything was great.
So what's the speed limit on this road?
30.
Good. How do you know?
Street lights.
Yeah, built up area, houses. At the end of the road, turn left. Oh, very good observations. So how would you know if the speed limit has changed?
When you're entering a new road, signs further on.
Signs, good.
Like roads like these, if it's clear like it is now, it's like it's better to you know, keep with the speed limit.
So good.
But this area last time was quite heavy, so I'll just stick to around 20, which is kind of safe.
And there are a few roads around here which are 20 miles an hour. And again, you'll see the signs or the road markings. But a lot of the 20 mile an hour roads do have speed humps. Yeah, not all of them. Okay, at these lights, if you could turn right, please. So what's the speed limit here?
30.
Good. So after these lights, we're going to be entering that road.
You know what, we got here quite quick as well on the test day. There was, considering it was around, what was it, 10 o'clock, the test?
I think it was, yeah.
It's quite busy. This is what I did. I came onto this road quite nicely.
This is the road, yeah, obviously there's no speed limit signs there, but I can understand like here now why you may start thinking, oh, the speed limit's more than 30.
Yeah.
Okay, slow down, brake, the lights are red.
Sorry, head was wasn't in it. My bad.
What are you thinking about there?
How I failed. Genuinely how I failed. My mind wasn't even in the game. That would have been a fail. I would have failed again. Exact same place. Could you imagine? Don't worry, on the test I wasn't talking like this.
You're not making stuff up, was you?
I was actually concentrating on the test. But yeah, you see how that car's going like 40?
Yeah.
That's how
Oh, okay, so you just kind of...
you know where I said in one of the videos prior to that, like subconsciously when I saw the car increasing its speed,
Yeah.
because I was unsure about if the signs were like 30 or 40 because there weren't any. I thought it was like 40 because they were going quicker. So my speed
So
went
was it better here that obviously the
Yeah.
camera stepped in and
it
actually
was
slowed
here.
down?
Yeah, there was no cars on the road whatsoever,
Oh, okay.
other than the one that was like miles ahead.
So because that car was going fast, you thought, okay, it's got to be 40 here.
Yeah, I was still unsure though, which is why I kept it around like 34, 35. But it was, you know, it's still over the limit, isn't it? Which is my fault.
But yeah, and visited this road again, and you made another serious fault on it.
Could you imagine? Can't make it up, can you?
At the traffic lights, if you could turn right. There's two turnings to the right if you could take the first one, yeah? Just where that van's gone.
And then right where that red car is, actually a little further down, there was a big van trying to do a 3-point turn on the road. So I was right behind her, so I had to stop as well.
And if you could park up anywhere safe on the left, please. Well done. I like how you looked out for a safe place and waited to pass that junction before signalling. Okay, and if you could switch off the engine and take the key out. That is it. Yeah, we just wanted to show everyone what happened on your test. Yeah, obviously we did tell everyone in that video where we revealed your test result. Yeah, and yeah, but again today
We'll just ignore that. You know?
well, doing that now, it hopefully shouldn't happen on your test again.
It won't.
Okay.
I'll be much more focused.
And yeah, and going forward, I think we just, like I said, just driving like this and making sure stuff like that doesn't happen. Yeah, where you, well, like at the lights there. Yeah, you've got to just remember, just keep planning and stay focused ahead now. Yeah, and yeah, hopefully you get that test date, and then I think a couple of lessons, we should be okay. Yeah.
Do you know for roads, you know that road that we entered, because there weren't any signs for 30 or 40 were there?
Yeah.
If there's no signs, what would be the best approach?
So if there's no signs, it means it's the same speed limit
As you're coming off on.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a 30, yeah. So say if we turn left, yeah. When we turn left into that road, there are signs for that it's a 20 zone, yeah. But if there are no signs, what does that mean?
Just carry on with that same speed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. So any questions?
No, I'm just waiting for a date, really.
Yeah. So guys, yeah. Like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.
Peace.